Oh, look at Maddie turning.
Whoa.
You're steering all by yourself.
Foot back on the pedals. How's that feel?
Can hold me just a little bit more so I don't. No.
Mommy won't let you fall.
How does it feel? Good? You look like you're doing pretty well. Oops, I got you.
I want to get down.
You're done? Got a little bit too much? You need to breathe a minute?
Watch your feet.
I need to go here.
You want to walk it back the rest of the way?
Do you want Mommy to hold you up again while you get on?
Ready? You hold your handlebar. I've got you. Hold your handlebar. I've got you. I've got you. Holding you very tight. You're holding the bicycle very tight. Look in front of you a little bit. Look at your bicycling. You're bicycling. Wow.
Maddie's
And we're
bicycle.
stopping. Great job! How's it feel? Grandpa Ray's going to be so excited to hear you bicycled on your first day.
He's going to see this video of you on his bicycle.
It's not his bicycle, but it's the bicycle he
anymore.
got you as a present.
His present to you.
Oops. Okay.
Remember the trick. Look ahead, Maddie. There you go.
Where do you want to go? Home? And break. And we're home.
I did break.
I'm so proud of you! Yay, Madison! Go, I did it!
I did it.
Yes, you did.
Do you want to say thank you to Grandpa Ray?
Grandpa Ray's daddy's doing a video for Grandpa Ray.
For
Do you
the
want to
what?
say? Do you want to tell him what you think of the bicycle? Is it nice?
It's nice.
Yeah. Do you want to say thank you, Grandpa Ray?
Thank you, Grandpa Ray.
And Grandma Gudrun too.
Thank you, Grandma Gudrun. Can I see that video?